Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you a very simple home remedy which you can use to unblock your fallopian tubes. And these spices, guys, you can find it in any part of the world you are. Like, you can find this home remedy. So this home remedies is for the ladies out there who cannot get the other spices which are shared in my first home remedy, how you can unblock your fallopian tubes. I'm going to be showing you the items we shall be using for this home remedy. Of course, we have turmeric here. Make sure it is organic turmeric. We have garlic, okay, we have ginger, and this is cinnamon. You can actually have the stick cinnamon if you don't have the powder one, and this is going to be the powder cinnamon, right? So these two things are the same thing. Alright, I just want to show you the powder cinnamon and the stick cinnamon. And this spoon here is going to be our measuring spoon that we're going to be using to measure our items. Alright, so for this home remedy, of course, you need your water. You need your water, right? You need mineral water for this home remedy. So what you'll be doing, you blend your ginger, you can either grate it or you blend it, and garlic. You need about 2 garlic for this home remedy. Alright, 2 big garlic for this home remedy, like this, and about this size of ginger. And you put this turmeric, you put this cinnamon into a pot. You need about 3 spoons, sorry, you need about 2 sticks of cinnamon. You don't want to do a lot. Alright, 2 sticks of cinnamon inside, let's just say 500 mils, yeah, 500 mils of water. Alright, put in the pot and you boil it for about 10 to 20 minutes. Once that is ready, you can add in your 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, of turmeric, sorry, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and then cinnamon is already this one. If you're using the stick, you use 2 sticks. If you're using the powder, you use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon if you're using the powder form, and then 2 garlic. You grind your garlic, and then you grind the ginger, and then you put it into the hot water where you have boiled your cinnamon. Make sure you boil only the cinnamon, and once the cinnamon is, when you off your gas or your cooker, you add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then you add your grinded ginger and garlic into the 500 ml of water. You stir it very well, and then you drink it. You can drink it on an empty stomach, alright. And then if there's any leftover, you can drink 1 teacup, and if there's any leftover, you can warm it at night and drink it right before you go to bed. So these are the measurements of the item. I have a lot of comments. Sometimes people will come and ask me about the measurement of the item, so that's why I'm showing you this video. A teaspoon of turmeric or cinnamon if you're using the powder form. If you're using the stick cinnamon, you use 2 sticks. Make sure you boil all of the cinnamon alone, and about this size of ginger. I cannot estimate this size, guys. And then 2 garlic. Alright, inside 500 ml of water. You're going to be using water, 500 ml. This is 1.5 liter, so 3, yeah, you divide this one by 3, 500 ml of water. Alright, and then you prepare it. You drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and the last thing at night. You can be taking this home remedy religiously for about 2 to 3 weeks. Alright, it's going to help you to flush out any blockage in your fallopian tubes. If you don't have cinnamon, you don't have turmeric, you can just do the ginger and garlic. Or if you have turmeric, you don't have cinnamon, do turmeric, ginger, and garlic together and drink it. Or you can even do it separately. You can do ginger, garlic, turmeric, and do cinnamon separately, cinnamon tea, and you take it whatever way you want to take it. It is going to work perfect. They are going to do the same thing. So guys, this video was very quick video. I just came to show you this simple home remedy on how you can unblock your fallopian tubes. So if you're watching this video, endeavor to share this video. It's very important that you share this video, and then give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video is helpful. Do not forget to drop your comments down below this video. If you have any questions, if you want to ask any questions, drop a comment and I'll get right back to your questions. And of course, if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I appreciate you guys. Until then guys, I'll see you again in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.